Hello everybody and welcome to the 2023 Taipei AMPA and also Autotronics Taipei and 2035 E-Mobility Taiwan, the fourth largest of its kind in the world. I'm your guide, Raymond. I'm very excited right now because I'm coming to the booth of amazing, cool technology, and standing next to me is the president, Brian. Brian, would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Hello, I'm Brian from Equal Technology.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today. And Brian, would you firstly talk to our viewers a little bit about the company?
Okay, our company founded before 8 years. We developed graphene materials and graphene applications. In the beginning, used graphene in the thermal dissipation, but we found that graphene applied in the material is amazing. So we now develop graphene copper and graphene tin, graphene plastic, many kinds.
Yes, just like Brian just said, because I talked to Brian a little bit before the interview. Actually, A-Cool has this very exclusive technology that no other companies have in the world, right? The combination of graphene with copper and also the combination of graphene with tin. All right, so next, I'm going to say no more and let you introduce your products and solutions. Brian.
Okay. We are very excited to tell you that graphene modified copper, we named it Equal Copper, have many amazing characteristics such as low temperature coefficient applied in the copper wire. And that if we apply the copper wire, Equal copper wire in the motor wire, and we can gain about 15 to 20% efficiency improvement. So you can let your mileage become longer. It's very amazing. Yeah, and also our material have some characteristics like the anti-corrosion and bending resistant.
Wow.
Yeah, and better thermal conductivity. It's very amazing also. And modified copper, we can also modify the tin alloy. You know. So if we use the IC or such kind of PCB, you use the modified tin, it's better, and the reliability can be improved.
So you can incorporate this tin plus graphene solution from A-Cool into PCB.
Yes.
Making it more efficient.
Yeah, and reliability can be improved.
More reliable.
Yeah, so it is suitable in the EV.
Wow.
Yeah, EV.
Suitable in the EV.
Yeah,
wow.
Yes, EV has many MCU, many PCB, right?
Okay.
And I introduced our wire is that improvement many kind, and I also introduced the plate or foil, and we can currently our A-Cool copper plate foil to 2 micrometer, such thin, very thin.
That's very impressive.
Yeah, and it can be applied in the EV battery anode.
Okay.
Yeah, and the battery can gain much more.
Whatever products you use A-Cool solution, it will be more energy efficient. It will be more powerful.
Yeah, and we also can use this A-Cool copper to make the target, and use the sputtering, magnetic sputtering, to do in the IC manufacturing or packaging manufacturing, and also sputtering can gain good EMI shielding effectiveness. Very amazing.
Yeah, very amazing. Just like the name of the company. Amazing technology from Brian, from your company. But I have to be very honest with you. For some of the technical parts, I probably don't get them very well. But I can tell is that due to its very good thermal and electrical conductivity, graphene can be a very good material that you can incorporate. You can put together with copper, with tin, and again, you can use this solution to some other products like EVs.
Yes, yes.
Right?
And we now we get US patent and Taiwan patent.
Okay.
It's world #1.
Okay,
Yeah, we can.
It's a patented technology from
Yeah.
A-Cool. Nobody else has this amazing technology, so I would like to thank you, Brian, for sharing with us so much today. Before we go, any last words that you want to share with our viewers?
We are very happy to service you if you have any request. We also have our own factory can mass production this new material.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if they want to visit A-Cool or visit you, they can also plan a visit to your factory.
Yes, yes. Very
Okay,
welcome.
that's perfect. Thank you, Brian, once again for your time. Say bye-bye to our viewers.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. And joining us is Rebecca Trujillo. Yes. Am I right? Okay, okay. She is the sales executive of CTI. So would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Rebecca Trujillo. I'm one of the sales in the sales team on CTI. And yeah, we're talking about some of the products.
Yes, I'm very much looking forward to it. And just before I let Rebecca introduce the company a little bit more to you, I would like to firstly say happy birthday to your company. I know you just celebrated the 50th anniversary of your company. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Would you mind sharing some more details about your company with our viewers?
Yeah, sure. So basically CTI, as you say, have been in the market for already very long time. We are just
since 1973.
1973, yes. We're just celebrating, as you mentioned, our 15th anniversary. We are very experienced manufacturing in manufacturing piston rings.
Yes.
But we also supply other car components, like for example, for small vehicles like scooters to very big trucks, industrial trucks. So we kind of supply all of them, and we work with our clients like very closely.
Okay.
So we are very trustworthy and very experienced. I mean, we've been 50 years in the market, so that says a lot.
Exactly. So we can say you have a lot of many different clients from different sectors, from the industry, from different corners of the world.
All over the world.
Yeah, exactly. So I can't wait for you, Rebecca, to go into some of your star products. So what have you got for our viewers this year?
Just to quickly mention, like, because you know, with all of these environmental issues that have rising up all the recent years, CTI is also taking part in the responsibility to minimize all of these harm to the environment. So we also have a green energy department, which is recently, it only has like 4 years in our company, but they already have developed a line of green products. Like for example, the first product that I would like you to see is our DLC or black diamond piston rings, which these piston rings are the quality is very special because their coating is like we use DLC, which is a kind of carbon that shares similar properties as a diamond. So it's very hard. That's what makes the DLC rings very high quality, and also they last a very long period of time.
Very, very durable.
Yeah, they're very durable, which is eco-friendly, you know, because the longer you use a product, the less waste. So, you know, and also these kind of rings, they minimize the friction in the engine, which protects also the pistons. So it's very useful. And one of the highest quality, I mean, the important one is that save you like 10% of fuel consumption. Like the less fuel you use, also the less carbon emissions you produce, and the more you protect the environment. I mean, what else do you want to ask for it? So
it lives up to CTI's commitment to sustainability and ESG for sure.
Yes. So that's for black diamond and
black diamond.
Yes, and the second product I would like you to know is our green power.
Green power.
Green power. Yes. Do you want me to show it to you?
Yeah, sure.
So we
can show it to our viewers.
Yes. So this is our green power. You know, even the form, even the size of a little car. You know, it's very cute.
I can hold it for you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So this is our green power, and basically you just plug it to your battery. It's very easy to just plug it in. Doesn't even use that much space. So you just put it there by the side of the battery, and it helps to boost the start. When you start your engine, it helps to start quicker. And even because it starts quicker, then also the carbon emission is minimized by 10%. So yeah, and even prolongs the life of the battery, you know, because it kind of energy booster for the engine, for the battery. So it's safe your battery life. And yeah, I mean, it works for all kind of 12 volts engines. So it's very useful. I have it in my car, you know. It's a very old car.
You have to
right
have
now-
it, yeah,
yeah,
for sure.
Of course. And it works perfectly. It's
very
recommended.
good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very good.
Okay, everybody, that's the real feedback from a user really using this green power
Believe me.
solution. Yes.
Yes, yes. Because my car is quite old,
Yeah,
you know.
okay.
So, and by using this, I don't only save fuel, but I also kind of feel that when I press the oil button, my car kind of runs very smoothly.
All right. There's just so
Effortless.
many good things about this little guy here.
Yeah, the power, the green power. It's
Okay,
perfect.
you got one more for us, right?
Yes, I have. This is kind of our nuance lounge
Okay,
here.
here we go.
This is our battery. This is Super LX battery, and this battery is our own development.
Yes.
We developed it together with some well-known internationally self-manufacturers, and this is to ensure not only the quality of the battery but also the safety. You know,
All right.
and also we equip this battery with our own self-developed battery management system to ensure and double guarantee our customer and the users their safety of the battery.
Yeah.
So it's very different with the traditional acid battery because this battery not only the common batteries only last 2 to 3 years, but this battery actually lasts for 6 years. So just
How many
imagine-
years?
6 years. You can
6
use
years.
it for 6
Like
years.
3 times longer
Three
than other
times longer
batteries.
than other batteries. So
Wow.
just imagine not only how much money you can save by purchasing one of those, but also how much waste you produce. You produce less waste.
That's very, very important.
So, you know, we care a lot about the earth, about the environment. And yes, also this battery is very efficient because it also boosts. When you start the engine, the start plug of the engine makes the ignition start very quickly and also makes it burns completely. So in that, by bursting it completely, then also the carbon emissions are lower because you're burning less fuel. And also by using this kind of battery because it's very, the car runs very effortless, so the fuel also is saving. You're saving 10% of your fuel. So basically all of our products are very
Wow.
green.
Very, very impressive. Can I put it back?
Yeah,
Kind of
sure.
heavy. Okay. My hands are shaking. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much to Rebecca for sharing a lot with us from CTI today. And of course, we heard some very exciting technologies
Yes.
from your company, but I think what's more than that is that we get the sense that CTI really is very committed into becoming a
Yeah.
socially responsible
Socially responsible.
enterprise, and it is doing a lot to make this world greener and more sustainable. Thank you for CTI for doing what it has been doing over the years, over 15 years.
15 years.
Okay, since
Hopefully 50 more.
1970. Yeah, for sure. Okay. We are looking forward to a much more brighter future thanks to the efforts from CTI.
Yes.
And before we go, any last words that you want to share with our viewers, Rebecca?
Okay, so just to sum up a little bit, so just to keep in mind that you're not only using like high quality products and durable ones, but also are products that will maximize the performance of your car without any effort. Your car will perform 100% as it is and will not make any extra efforts. And also you're protecting the environment. What else do you want? Save money and protect the environment.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Okay, your cars will perform even better than before, and it's very, very energy efficient.
yes,
And
energy
it's good
efficient.
for our planet.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
thank you so
Basically,
much for your
Thank
time.
you so much for having us.
Thank you so much. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And we are here at IGUS Taiwan, and joining us right now is the Deputy Industrial Manager, Gary. Hi, Gary. Say hi to everybody first.
Hi everyone, I'm Gary from IGUS Taiwan.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today. And yes, just before we go to, you can see a lot of products already here. Just before we go to the products, would you talk to us a little bit about IGUS?
Yeah, we are IGUS and we are from Germany company. And in Germany we're already established around like 60 years now.
60 years.
Yeah,
Wow,
and
it's a long time.
And in Taiwan we service for our customer already 20 years.
Also in Taiwan, 20 years.
Yeah, I would say we are a world famous company now.
Okay.
And we are mainly specialized in plastic bearings, cable chains, and chain flags.
Okay, and plastic bearings. I know that's something that make IGUS very, very different from its competitors in the market right now? A lot of your competitors they are still using metal bearings,
Yes.
right? And why plastic bearings? And is it okay? Is it safe enough, Gary?
Yeah. Everyone wondering for this question.
Yeah.
When they have a first look at our
We have
product.
the question mark.
Yeah, and actually now the I can say the technology of the material
Yes.
have improved a lot. And
Alright.
normally we now put a lot of, for example, like glass fiber, carbon fiber, and some lubrication material inside the plastic. So which allows us to you don't need to grease anymore.
Wow.
And
It saves a lot of work.
yes, and the reinforce of the bearings will be
Yeah.
much better than the metal ones.
Even better plastic ones than metal ones?
Yes.
Wow.
And everyone knows that for metal bushings, normally you will have corrosion issues.
Yes,
But
yes.
for plastic, there's absolutely
There's no
100%.
such problems like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why for like automotive and scooter industry, they change a lot of the bearings now into our polymer bushings.
Wow. And very good quality from plastic ones, and it's saving some more money maybe
Yes.
than making it metal ones.
Yes, because we only have one production process, which
Okay.
is injection. But for
Metal
one,
ones.
normally you need to last the metals to do the forging, whatever, and put a lot of grease on it. So there is several process to go, but we only have one process, which is
Wow.
injection.
Saving you from a lot of troubles, and it's even cheaper. Why not? Okay, yeah. So now we see some of the products from IGUS here. So let's just go to the products.
Yeah.
Gary, take it away.
So first one, I would like to introduce this one. This one is
What is it?
It's an engine hanger for the scooters.
All right.
And normally our traditional scooters, they apply a metal bushings.
That's plastic?
Yeah, this one is the
Okay.
black one is a plastic one. So, but somehow they have a noise issue.
All right.
Because they figure out now everyone loves their scooters. They will clean the scooters by very high pressure water. So once the grease comes out, then the squeaking noise start. And
The metal ones.
Yes.
It's louder.
Yeah, so that's why they test it and they change it to our plastic bearings. First of all, for sure, we have no squeaking issues, and we are more durable in the outside because corrosion free.
Yeah.
And more or less we are lightweight, so you can reduce a little bit of your gasoline. Yeah. So that's why this engine
It's even more energy efficient.
Yeah.
Using the plastic one. Okay. And any more?
So this is another applications for suspensions. Normally there is a piston. So when you riding your scooter, your suspension will sliding like this. So normally there is a metal one.
Usually it will be the metal one here.
Yeah, so for this customer, they have replaced the metal bushings into our guide ring, the plastic guide ring.
Plastic one.
So for plastic guide ring, it could save a lot of money for you. Yeah, because for traditional slip design, there takes a lot of like cutting costs. For the metal one. Yeah.
It's easier to make the plastic ones than the metal ones. Okay. I know you have one more.
Yes.
Just before we go, that you can share with our viewers.
Last but not least.
Okay.
So
not the least for sure.
Yeah, so for some applications, for example, like steering for the ATV, they use these rod and bearings. And for sure, we have polymer rod and bearings. But in some applications, they still need a strength for the rod and bearings.
Okay.
So we now, actually, I guess we produce this, we call Equable 2.0, which is
2.0.
advanced one. So metal
But
body.
it's metal.
Yeah,
It's metal.
But
Okay.
but in here, it's a 3-layer design. So you still need to grease for the bowl.
Yeah, because it's a metal one. You
so
still have to grease it.
Yeah, you can see the yellow part, which is our material. So you don't need to put any grease on it. The lifetime will be much better. And our strengths can take
okay.
the shock load for you.
So this is the 2.0.
Yeah.
And when can we expect the 3.0 in the market?
Yeah, it's under construction.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you to Gary for sharing so much with us today. And it's a lot for you to see here at IGUS Taiwan. Just before we go, any last words that you want to share with our viewers?
Change your bearing now.
Change your bearing from the metal ones to plastic ones, from the ones from IGUS Taiwan.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So thank you once again to Gary for sharing a lot with us today. Go for IGUS for some of the best quality plastic bearings.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So thank you again, and say bye bye to our viewers. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And here I am at the booth of Shanqing. Standing next to me is the VP of Shanqing, Alan, and also there we have the CEO of Shanqing, Leo. Would you say hi to our viewers first?
Hello.
Okay, so now let me just cut to the chase. I want to know what is it that Shanqing has to offer this year. So Alan, would you please introduce some of your best products with our viewers?
Okay, hello everyone. This time we will present you our special glass called quantum energy saving glass, okay, which is to develop to replace the heat blocking film. Okay, with this glass, okay, it can reach a lot of functions such as UV resistant, and
UV resistant.
Yeah, heat regulations.
Heat regulation.
Yeah,
okay.
And light transmittance. That's a strong point of this product. And and its lifetime is more than 20 years, just like a normal glass.
20 years.
20
This is
years.
bioglass from
Right.
Shanqing,
Right.
and you can use it for 20 years.
Right. Unlike the
Heat blocking
film,
film.
okay, it can peel it off maybe 3 or 5 years, but this
3 or 5 for traditional heat blocking film,
Right.
but for your small glass,
Yes.
it's 20 years.
It's 20 years. More
Wow.
than 20 years. Right. Okay. This is a sunroof of Model Y. Okay, this is the Model Y. This time we have two colors to show you. One is a little bit gray, and the other one is totally transparent one. All right.
So what is the difference? One is transparent and one is greener, right?
Just two colors. Two colors. Yeah.
Okay.
Two colors.
2 colors.
Yeah,
Okay.
For your option.
Okay, they got 2 models of their latest energy-saving glass. Yeah, so Alan just said it's UV resistant and it's
light
also,
transmission.
Yeah.
Energy saving. What's the word?
So it's energy saving.
Of course.
So
of course.
because while we are driving EVs, it's very important to make sure that you are using the energy very efficiently and using your glass.
Yes.
You
right.
can actually maybe ride your
Exactly.
EVs for longer hours.
Right.
Compared with using traditional heat blocking films.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay. So just before we go, do you have anything that you want to add to our viewers? Why is that we should buy products from Shanqing?
Oh, of course. Of course.
Is it cheaper?
It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Even more cheaper because of we are.
You have a local supply chain.
We have local
here?
supply chain here. Yeah.
Yeah, you have
So-
innovators, you have your design team here, you have your manufacturing team here. So you have a comprehensive
Right.
supply chain here.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I've done my homework. I know Shanqing's products very well.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so they're doing everything by themselves here in Taiwan, MIT, made in Taiwan.
It's made in Taiwan. Totally made in Taiwan.
Yeah, so
Right.
it's cheaper than its competitors' products, and it's also very safe
Right.
and also high quality. So thank
Yeah.
you so much to
Thank
Alan
you so much for
for
your-
introducing so much about Shanqing's
Right.
products with us, the smart energy saving glass.
Yes.
Thank you to Alan, and thank you to Leo. Yes, yes. Say bye-bye to our viewers.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
and
you.
if you have time, pay a visit to Shanqing or find their
Yes,
website.
welcome. Yeah,
Okay.
welcome here.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you.